Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! How was the movie? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Movie. Part. Elephant. Meat. Conversation.
How was the movie?
It was interesting.
What was the best part?
When Toto met his mother.
Do you like Toto, the baby elephant?
Yes, I do.
Mom, can I get a Toto doll?
Of course, I'll get one for you.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
How was the movie?
It was interesting.
What was the best part?
When Toto met his mother.
Do you like Toto, the baby elephant?
Yes, I do.
Mom, can I get a Toto doll?
Of course, I'll get one for you.
Word quiz. Elephant. Movie. Part. Meat. Conversation quiz. What did Ben say?
How was the movie?
Yes, I do. It was interesting. What did Mom say?
What was the best part? Do you like Toto, the baby elephant?
When Toto met his mother. What did Mom say?
Mom, can I get a Toto doll?
Of course, I'll get one for you. How was the movie?
You did it. You were superstar.
Yay!
Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.